Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the currency within the Spendee Budget Planner application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee Budget Planner app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password or by using your social accounts. After logging in, you will end up within the timeline page. Now, if you wish to change the currency that is primarily used within your account, then you can change your currency from the More option. Click on More at the bottom right corner and then scroll down until you see the main currency option. Just click on this button and you can now choose from the list of various different currencies that are available to choose from. After choosing your desired currency, it will be applied to your application right away. Now, you may also change your currency with each transaction that you record within the app. While you are adding any transaction from the plus icon, after choosing whether it is an expense or your income, and then choosing the subcategory, you will then be prompted to enter the amount. After entering this amount, alongside this amount, you will also see the drop-down button. Just click on this drop-down menu, and now you will be able to once again choose from various different currencies that are available. After choosing your currency, you can then enter the current exchange rate. And if you want this currency to be remembered, you can also click on the toggle to remember this currency. Then click on the confirm button and this transaction with your changed currency will be added right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the currency within your account on the Spendee Budget Planner app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.